Tired of your Minecraft world looking a little Euroblocky? Join me as we transform this pixelated landscape into a visual masterpiece using Iris shaders. First, we need to grab the Iris installer. Head over to the Iris website. A quick search will find it. Locate the download section and choose the installer that matches your operating system. Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once downloaded, save it somewhere you can easily find it. Now, it's time to run the Iris installer. When it opens, it will automatically detect your Minecraft installation. Select the specific Minecraft version you want to enhance with shaders. Be sure to pick a version that is compatible with the shaders you want to use. This is usually noted on the Shader Pack website. Next, click the Install button. The installer will download the necessary files and integrate Iris into your chosen Minecraft installation. This process should only take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Now, open your Minecraft launcher. You should see a new profile named Iris or something similar. Select this profile. Make sure you choose this profile every time you want to play with shaders. With Minecraft launched, go to the Options menu, then Video Settings, and then Shaders. Here is where you'll choose the shader you want to experience. Click the Shaders folder button. This opens the Shader Packs folder. All you need to do is drag and drop your downloaded Shader Pack zip file into this folder. Close the folder and return to the Minecraft game. In the Shaders menu, select the shader pack you just added. You may have to wait a moment for the shaders to load. Finally, bask in the glory of your transformed Minecraft world. Enjoy the incredible lighting, shadows, and water effects that shaders provide. You might have to adapt the in-game settings to achieve optimal performance and visual quality.